Imagine stepping out in style, your shoes turning heads. But these aren't just any shoes. They are crafted from antique Turkish rugs, each stitch whispering tales of the past. This isn't a scene from a fantasy novel, it's the reality of upcycled fashion. Upcycling is revolutionizing the way we think about clothes. It is transforming the fashion industry from the ground up. It's a movement as much as a method, a statement as much as a style. Upcycling goes beyond simply recycling old clothes. It's about breathing new life into discarded materials. It's about transforming them into unique, stylish pieces. This eco-conscious approach to fashion is taking the world by storm. It offers a powerful antidote to the fast fashion frenzy that has plagued the industry for too long. Upcycling is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good about what you wear. Fast fashion, with its endless cycle of trendy, disposable clothes, has come at a steep price. The industry is a major polluter, second only to oil. It produces tons of textile waste that end up in landfills, leaching harmful chemicals into the environment. The human cost is just as alarming. Garment workers, often in developing countries, endure exploitative working conditions. They receive poverty wages to churn out cheap clothing for the global market. The fast fashion model thrives on overproduction and overconsumption. Sadly, this leaves a trail of environmental destruction and human misery in its wake. Enter upcycling, a beacon of hope in the face of fast fashion's bleak reality. Upcycling, also known as creative reuse, takes discarded materials and transforms them into something new and desirable. It's about seeing potential where others see trash, turning what was once destined for the landfill into fashion-forward pieces. This approach reduces textile waste and minimizes the demand for new resources. Upcycling isn't just about mitigating the negative, it's about creating something positive. It's about giving discarded materials a second life, infusing them with new meaning and value. The upcycling movement is gaining momentum, capturing the attention of designers, celebrities, and everyday citizens alike. Events like Mend in Public Day highlight the growing embrace of this sustainable practice. On this day, people around the world gather in public spaces to mend their clothes. This simple act carries a powerful message. It challenges the throwaway culture fostered by fast fashion. It encourages people to value and care for their clothes. Mend in Public Day is a celebration of creativity, sustainability, and community. It's a visible reminder that change can start with a single stitch. Section 5. Creative upcycling, from sneakers to high fashion. Upcycling is no longer a niche trend confined to DIY enthusiasts. Designers are embracing it as a way to create unique, sustainable pieces that challenge conventional fashion norms. Helen Kirkum, a London-based designer, has gained international recognition for her innovative use of upcycled materials. She transforms discarded sneakers into coveted footwear, deconstructing and reconstructing them with an artist's eye. Her creations are a testament to the transformative power of upcycling. They blur the lines between art, fashion, and sustainability. Other designers and collectives like Spilt Milk are using upcycled materials to create high-fashion pieces that grace runways and capture the attention of the fashion elite. Section 6. Vintage and Values. Gen Z's upcycling embrace. Upcycling resonates deeply with Gen Z, a generation known for its social and environmental consciousness. They are embracing second-hand clothing and vintage finds, rejecting the fast fashion cycle of consumption. For them, upcycling is more than just a trend. It's a way to express their values and make a statement about the world they want to live in. They see the beauty in giving old clothes a new lease on life, appreciating the stories and craftsmanship embedded in each garment. Upcycling allows them to curate unique wardrobes that reflect their individuality and their commitment to a more sustainable future. Section 7. Global impact, small stitches, big change. The upcycling movement is gaining traction globally, particularly in regions with a rich history of textile production. In India, where traditional crafts and textile techniques have been passed down through generations, upcycling is being embraced as a way to preserve heritage and empower local artisans. Organizations like Rags to Riches are providing women from marginalized communities with the skills and resources to transform textile waste into beautiful, marketable products. These initiatives not only empower women economically, but also contribute to environmental sustainability by reducing textile waste and promoting circularity. Upcycling is proving to be a powerful tool for social and environmental change, creating opportunities and fostering a more mindful approach to fashion. Section 8. Upcycling for the planet. The environmental impact of the fashion industry is undeniable. From water pollution caused by textile dyeing to greenhouse gas emissions from production and transportation, fast fashion is taking a toll on our planet. Upcycling offers a powerful solution, mitigating these negative impacts by reducing textile waste, conserving resources, and lowering emissions. By diverting discarded clothes and textiles from landfills, upcycling minimizes the environmental damage caused by their disposal. Upcycling reduces the need to extract new resources to produce virgin materials, lessening the strain on our planet's finite resources. By extending the life cycle of existing materials, upcycling helps to lower the carbon footprint associated with manufacturing new clothes. Upcycling is a tangible way for individuals to contribute to a more sustainable future, making conscious choices that benefit both people and the planet. Section 9. Conclusion: Wear your values. Upcycling is more than just a fashion trend. It is a cultural shift. It's a movement towards conscious consumption where we value quality over quantity and see the potential in what others discard. It's about embracing creativity, challenging norms, and using fashion as a platform for self-expression and positive change. By choosing upcycled clothing, we are making a statement. We are saying no to fast fashion's exploitation and environmental destruction. We are saying yes to a more sustainable, just and stylish future. So why not wear your values on your sleeve, or better yet, on a one-of-a-kind upcycled garment? Let your fashion choices reflect your commitment to a better world. Join the upcycling revolution and be a part of the change you want to see in the world.